Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I do this beautiful crown braid, which is perfect for the summertime. So I'm going to be starting off with wet hair. It's pretty damp. It's not soaking wet, but it's detangled and easy for me to work with. I'm going to start off by using the OGX Coconut Curls Decadent Creamy Mousse with coconut oil and shea butter. And this mousse is the perfect mousse for me to do my crown braid because it has enough slip and it leaves my hair hydrated and moisturized. So I'm going to just rake that all throughout my hair and make sure that every single strand is saturated with mousse. It's been a while since I used a mousse, but the one that I would lean towards is definitely this one by OGX. It's really creamy and it doesn't leave my hair dry at all. After applying the mousse to my hair, I'm going to split my hair in the section that I'm going to begin braiding. I was going to start braiding my hair from my left side, but I figured it would be easier to just braid my hair with my hair parted. That way I have more control. So now that I've changed the parting of my hair, I need to make sure that that section is also detangled. This way braiding would be much easier. After everything is nice and detangled, you can start your braiding. Now, to be honest, guys, this is my least favorite part. It's the most difficult part when it comes to doing this type of crown braid because you literally have to start from the back of your head and there's no way you can see that, so you have to go by the way it feels. If you're new to braiding, you may have to practice doing cornrows. I am not the best at braiding. I still have to practice a ton. So I did struggle doing the braid, but the more you do it, the easier it gets. It's just difficult to braid upside down towards your face because I'm usually braiding from my face to the back. So that's why it's a bit challenging. And when you do it while your hair is wet, I feel like you have more control over it. Although I feel like this style is easier to do if you have straight hair or when your hair is straight, just because your hair works with you a little bit better. But since we have natural hair, we have more texture to deal with, more tangles to deal with, and it's a bit more difficult to do versus your average hairstyle. I think this is one of the most difficult styles I've ever done just because of the direction that the braid is going to and you can't really see what you're doing. So the key to doing this braid is definitely using something that has a lot of slip, which is why I use this particular mousse. It's very creamy, very moisturizing, and it helps my hands glide through while I'm braiding. And you also just want to take your time when doing this braid because it does take a lot of time to make sure you get it right the first time. Otherwise, you're going to be stuck there doing it 1,000 times like I did the first time I attempted to do this braid. But no worries, this style is totally worth all the hard work, labor that you put into it, so take your time. Once you finish doing the entire braid, you can wrap around the end to the top of your hair and just kind of tuck it in with some bobby pins and pin it down just to hide it and make it look all uniformed and defined. I'm going to go back in there with that same mousse that I used for my entire head just to kind of polish the front of my hair and make sure my edges are nice and laid. You can get as creative as you like for this part of the style. Go all crazy, make it look nice and polished. And then I went in with the Locking Coconut Curls Finishing Mist by OGX as well. And I just sprayed that around my entire braid and my entire head just to make sure that the braid is locked in place. And it also adds some extra shine to my braid. After that, you can totally stop here or you can get creative and add some accessories to your crown braid. Like I did, you can use these beautiful gold clips that I got from my local beauty supply store just to decorate the crown braid a little bit more. You can even add a gold string, which I will show you guys in another tutorial. And that concludes this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you guys are following me on Instagram at Chelly's Curls, and you're subscribed to my channel for more videos. Bye.